If your Venmo instant transfer isn't working, several factors could be causing the issue. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix it. Check card eligibility. Instant transfer only works with eligible Visa and MasterCard debit cards. Ensure that the card you're trying to transfer to supports instant transfers. If unsure, contact your card issuer or try using a different debit card. Verify account information. Ensure debit card information is correctly entered in the Venmo app. Go to Settings, Payment Methods to review the linked debit card details. Sufficient balance. Make sure your Venmo balance is enough to cover the transfer, plus any fees. Instant transfer charges a small fee. If the balance is insufficient, the transfer will fail. Update the Venmo app. Ensure that you're using the latest version of the Venmo app. Outdated apps can cause issues. Check for updates in the App Store and install the latest version. Try again later. Venmo's instant transfer service might be temporarily down due to server or system issues. If you receive an error, wait a few minutes and try again. Contact Venmo support. If none of these steps work, reach out to Venmo's customer support for help in resolving the issue.